Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chantel. I am currently high, so I wanted to make this video at 2 a.m. but I just couldn't. So now it is 12:30 p.m. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna dye my hair, as you guys know. And you guys are in my bathroom, so anyway. So I got Adore and I got Paprika and Raging Red. And then I got 2 gloves because you don't want the dye on your hands because it looks thick. I got a shower cap so when I'm done dyeing I put it over my head. And I got this thing I got at the beauty supply store. It has like a pick, a comb, and a brush. It was like $2. So we're gonna see how this works. It's my first time buying it. So anyways, we're gonna dye my hair. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. So this is what my hair looks like. Background story, I permed my hair the other day. I was scared my hair was gonna fall out because I already, as you can tell, my hair is already a different color because before I had bleached my hair and I dyed it. So I was scared to perm my hair because the last 2 times I permed my hair fell out. Like I legit had to cut all my hair. My hair was literally 2 inches. So I was scared all over again. But the only thing is that I permed it and I never oiled my hair. So the ends of my hair are like, they're mad crunchy. So what I'm gonna do with the dye, I'm gonna add a little bit of conditioner to it so I could just moisture my hair. And then after I'm gonna put some like tea tree oil in it so my hair is not so dry. Cause look, it's like all clumped up together. I do not take good care of my hair, I really don't. I'm surprised I even have hair at this point. Oh my god, my face is so huge. Anyways, first I'm gonna change my shirt. So I'm gonna be right back. So I found this little bit of conditioner, so I'm gonna put that in my hair.
Search on me, look, it's facts, nigga. I don't care if you trap, nigga. Just let that money stack and bring it back, nigga. I ran in the gym 7 days a week, think he D's, but you still wanna fuck.
I'm gonna put the Raging Red in first. I don't feel like getting a bowl and all that jazz, so.
Up on back page, it's all good when the team hustle. So Willie Beam and throw it up in the team huddle. Look it, who cares if they book it? The nigga asked me, can I cook it? I told that nigga, ooh, my finger whip it like a pro, you know. Got a nigga pockets on sumo. Remember back then I was pissed po. Now the trap house jumping like a disco. Now the trap house jumping like a disco. Coolin' on my itch, coolin' in my whip. Coke game got me flipping up my wrist. Coolin' on my itch, coolin' in my whip. Coke game got me flipping up my wrist. Coolin' on my itch, coolin' in my whip. Coke game got me flipping up my wrist. Coolin' on my itch, coolin' in my whip. Coolin' on my itch, coolin' in my whip.
So I have always been done perming my hair since like the age 7. I think I got my first perm, and I've been getting perms all the time, every couple months since then. And then a year ago I stopped getting a perm due to the fact that I had bleached my hair. So I knew for a fact that if I was to perm my hair would fall out all over again for the 3rd time. So I did it, and I was taking the vitamins from McDonald's. From McDonald's, bitch, is you hungry? What the fuck, from McDonald's? Anyways, I was taking the gummies, the hair, nail, and skin yummies from Walmart, and it made my roots so thick. Like, that's why my hair is like so sensitive, because my roots are so thick and I don't want to be bothered with it. And thank God this is happening around the time that wigs are a thing. Because if wigs wasn't a thing, I don't know how I would be handling my hair, to be honest. Like, I would have to get like single braids all the time because my roots really hurt. So I'm just gonna let this sit. Normally when I dye my hair, I let this sit for hours. So I might be back in like 5 hours or so. So I'm gonna time it and actually let you guys know. So
codeine got me flipping up my wrist, coon in my ish, coon in my whip. Codeine got me flipping up my wrist, coon in my ish, coon in my whip. Coolin' on my ish, coon in my whip. I remember long trips, me and Mercs OT. Little big nigga with some work on me. Pray that these hoes don't put a curse on me. Stash it all, case police run a search on me. Look.
So I'm back with some water. Honestly, I had wine, and to my knowledge, you need a cork thingy to pull it out, and I don't have one. And now I'm sad, like, can't drink wine until I get one. But I put some wine in here because, you know, you girls still gotta be healthy. But I put this dye in like an hour and a half at 1:30. It is now almost 3. This is what it looks like. And now I have like a red line on my head. Oh my god. But that is the hour the hour and a half update. So I'll be back. I don't know, maybe another 2 hours. I'll see. So a veil. This is what my hair looks like. It's not even bright. It dimmed down. I figured it was going to dim down, but it's like a dark burgundy color. My roots are red. Hopefully, like when you wash and put product on, that red line or whatever will go away. But this is what it looks like. Some of it cut a little colored. Maybe next time I'll use like a blonde hair dye box to lift my hair and then dye it red. But right now I'm about to just put 2 braids in my hair because
Coolin' on my ish, coon in my whip. Codeine got me flipping.
So I just had to turn on my light so you guys can actually see. You can see a lot better. But I'm gonna put some tea tree oil in my hair because my hair, as you guys saw earlier, the ends were really disgustingly dry.
Got me flipping off the wrist, ice glittery and shit. She just staring at a nigga cause she knows she wanna choose up on a nigga, join the team. Life is easier than it seems. And you know the path is green when you roll with a nigga, yeah. Calico flow with a nigga, look. I was inside the metros with my nigga, yeah. Ship it down, nigga, then they multiply. All these bitches wanna say hi cause a nigga got jewels and they drip like a faucet. I was stacking wall high, money in the closet. Brother, I was bossing. Niggas asked me for the say so. I was building blocks, got the bricks like Lego. Nigga fuck around and I'm peeling your potato. Got your shirt looking like you got hit with tomatoes. Look, I was whipping pots just like Django. Kush kinda fruity, smell just like mango. Shorty wanna cuddle, got no cuddle time. Time for the grind, told Shorty hit the strip and she could be mine, look. I got that pimp talk, I get on her mind though. Shorty said she got a member, she say never mind though. Shorty wanna get on the strip and get mine though. She wanna call me, I give her a fido. I can't even really believe that she a side hoe, but she gon' ride though, huh?
Coolin' on my ish, coon in my whip. Codeine got me flipping up my wrist.
So this is it. These are my gel braids. And that's all I'm gonna do to my hair right now because my god, my face looks so huge. Anyways, I'm sorry, my face looks hella huge. I know I'm fat, but I'm not liking how my face is, how my chin is looking like. It looks mad weird. But I'm gonna just leave my hair like this. So if you enjoyed this video, whatever this was, this whole fail, but at the same time I kind of do like the color. So there will be a part 2 because I am going out on Friday. So I was thinking of putting some weave in my hair. So if you want to check out that video will be coming later this week. So stay tuned. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe. If you haven't, subscribe. If you still like this video, like, comment, and share. Just click share. You guys are already hooked up to every social media on your phone. Just click share. Share it on your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever the case may be. And it's not that bad to share. But oh my god, that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, I don't even have that much to say. But this video was like, it was kind of a fail, kind of not. I'm not too sure what this was, but I wanted to push this video out because I thought it would be successful. And yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.